Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher. I have a student request for the song Rose from the Titanic soundtrack. I had to listen to it, and it sounds a lot like the song by Celine Dion, My Heart Will Go On. I'm assuming there's a similar theme throughout the whole song. Let's listen to it together and figure it out. The student had a question about what are the chord changes for the song, as well as what happens when the song changes keys. Let's try it together. I'll listen and tell you what's going on in my head. So that's the melody. I know it from it being played so much. So, those two notes are ones that I caught. G, C. What chord contains those two notes, G and C? G, C. It's a C major. I know that the C major is going to be central to the song. It may not be the root of the song, but C and G is a chord. In my mind, with the previous notes being do, F and A are also central to the song. These two notes, do, F and A. F and A belong to two likely chords that revolve around the chord of C major. F major, that sounds right, and also D minor, because the D minor chord is D, F, and A. That's D minor to C. Let's try F to C. They both sound right to me, but let's listen. And I'm assuming, with a high probability of success, I'm betting, we have the key of F or D minor and a C. Likely the key of B flat, the chord of B flat will be in the song. So B flat, C, B flat, F, C, maybe G minor and D minor. That's the range of notes for this song. B flat, F, C, G, D minor, maybe an A minor. But likely the chord progression is D minor, C major, B flat, maybe A minor. And I say that because it's a beautiful walk down. Or it might do D minor, C, B flat, C, F. Let's listen. I'm gonna go from the beginning. Oh, let's play. D minor, C major, B flat, C, D minor, C major, B flat, C major, F, C major, B flat, C major, F, C major, B flat. So that seems to be, there's a beginning with a D minor, C, B flat. And now F, C, B flat. F, I'm assuming that happens twice. F, C major, B flat, C, F, C major, B flat. D minor. That's a beautiful little walk down, right? So da 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 da. D minor from that B flat. I'm using the A, so B flat, A counterbass, D minor. D minor, C, to B flat, to the C. Let's keep listening. I'm just going off memory. C, B flat, C major, D minor, C major, B flat, A minor. There's that A minor. So again, we have a D minor, C major, B flat, to C, to D minor, to C major, to B flat, to A minor, to D minor. I'm assuming it's going to end with a C major. C major resolving to the F. Let's listen. D minor, C, B flat, C major, D minor, C major, B flat, C major. To the intro. Again, D minor, C major, B flat. There's a beautiful key change happening. What key is that? We're in F sharp. So if the song was an F major, so what I did there was I caught the left hand chord. I didn't know what it was, so I saw that A with whatever this is, and there's my F sharp minor. So those chords are F sharp minor to E, to D major, to the E, to F sharp minor, to E major, to D. Those three chords with an A major, right? But that turnaround was beautiful, and I don't understand it. C major, B flat. So that was just a natural progression of D, C, B flat, A. But we're using that just as a transition chord for that key change because we have to wind up in F sharp minor. F sharp minor. The 5 note that resolves to the F sharp minor is the C sharp major. Let's keep listening. Maybe that's what it is. D minor to C major to B flat to A with an F on my right hand over an A. E. No. So again, I'm relying on my ear. I know that the singer is singing a G note. That kind of works. That works, but I'm not sure if it's correct. Let's listen. The tempo is quite liberal. You could stay on that chord for a while, these chords. F sharp minor to the E. They're staying on that F sharp minor, right? So and then they go to the intro. All over the F sharp minor. Interesting. So I'll leave it there. If you have the sheet music, which I believe the student does, those are the chords that I would play with. The song starts off in the key of F, right? And then the same thing, D minor to C major to B flat. So those 4 chords, D minor, C, B flat, F. I know that there's a walk down where we go, after that B flat, we go to the A minor. And then the song does a nice transition. The last time it goes. Now we're in F sharp minor. We bumped it up a half note. F sharp minor, E, D major, E major, and then they just end it with just playing the main theme over an F sharp minor in the key of F sharp. I hope that helps. Beautiful theme song. I understand why it was such a big hit when it was. It's still very beautiful. Thank you for your question and request. Bye-bye.